I see Hillary, she's the lizard queen. Is it conspiracy, or is it just a meme? When I look at things, but she's slithering. She's a snake, can't tell, she's so fake. And the election is over, does it matter now? Wonder if you still remember about the Sanders how we almost had him in, and Hillary stole the whole fucking election. And nobody really won, nobody can win in this world of sin. And if a girl is in, somehow something is better. But now I'm on my soapbox, fuck it, I'll go kick rocks, make my whole toe stubborn. If I stub it, then I keep doing all the shit that I'm doing. Get back on topic, got a rocket, Hillary's up in a rocket, funded by NASA. What is this asthma? I keep gasping if I'm asking in some questions and wonder if Hillary bring me for questioning. If you see me on the camera, it's surprise freestyle tonight. Hillary's damaged, y'all. Everyone thinks she got a sickness. Don't know what to tell my friends. It's this shit that keeps me up at night. Conspiracies. If you hearing me, nah, I can't see clearly, please just repeat it for another examination. Yeah, I cannot take any other plans they making into account. But what I'm saying, fuck the counterfeit Sesame Street and indoctrination. Real conspiracy theory. What I'm saying, look up on YouTube and give them some views. What I'm trying to do is give you another hobby, make you paranoid if you stare at them. I'm just saying some shit. Go be sharing this stuff, even though you can't see my face clearly. Hillary the Lizard's queen. It's not a conspiracy, is it just a meme? And she's slithering when it looks at things. Really, I don't hate you, Hillary, I just think you have a bunch of motherfucking inconsistencies.